How to get rid of a bloated stomach. It must be wrong to deny the fact that one has never experienced bloating ever in their life. It is very frequent, and most people have experienced similar symptoms. Bloating is mostly not taken as a serious condition because one, it usually doesn't last very long, and secondly, there are many over-the-counter or home remedies to treat it effectively. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Have you ever wondered what bloating actually is and what causes it? The state of your swollen tummy is actually a condition that takes place when your gastrointestinal tract is filled with gas or air. The air from the GI tract enters into the digestive system and makes your stomach feel very uncomfortable, tight and painful, as if you had a lamb for your previous meal. Physically, your stomach looks bigger and it can make your clothes fit tighter. Now, without any further delay, let's see 10 easy ways to reduce bloat fast. Stay with us till the end of the video. 1. Potassium-rich foods. Regardless of whether you're encountering the after effects of an extravagance, constipation from traveling, managing menstrual manifestations or some mysterious explanation, or simply for the most having the impression that you could just glide away like a hot air balloon, there is no denying that it is just extremely uncomfortable and you need to reduce bloating as quickly as possible. It is maybe due to the excess sodium that is accumulated in your body due to some reason and is now causing bloating. You drink as much water as you can and eat mild foods with potassium like banana, avocado and sweet potato. Potassium helps flush out excess sodium out of the body, and so does water, and this can be really helpful when you're on your period. 2. Asparagus. This veggie is a characteristic diuretic, assisting water with traveling through the body. It's a top pick of enrolled dietitian Isabel Smith, who prescribes it to customers hoping to flush out additional water rapidly. Have a go at cooking a couple of lances alongside eggs in the first part of the day, or adding steamed or sauteed asparagus as a side dish to your protein at lunch or supper. 3. Go for a walk. In case gas is the reason for your stomach bloat, taking a walk might help. Moving invigorates the digestive system to contract, which might assist with passing trapped gas. Tie up your go-to shoes, put on yoga pants, and stroll around the square until you feel some alleviation. Physical activity can help the bowels move more regularly, allowing excess gas and stool to be released. If a person is constipated, it is especially important to get the bowels moving. A quick walk around the block can help relieve gas pressure. 4. Dandelion Root Tea. Anything that leads to the GI tract filling up with air can cause bloating, something as simple as the food you eat. Gassy foods, lactose intolerance, constipation, overeating, weight gain, reflux etc. are the most common causes of bloating. In women, pre and during menstruation bloating is seen very commonly. Women just cannot catch a break, can they? I mean, the cramps weren't enough trouble already. With regards to a convenient solution for bloating, Carolyn Brown, MSRD of the New York City-based Nourishment Practice Food Trainers, prescribes going to this regular and delicate diuretic. We are huge fans of dandelion tea, or tinctures which taste less bitter than actual dandelion leaves, says Brown. 5. Epsom salt bath. Magnesium as Epsom salts is a characteristic saline purgative, so it can assist you with dumping additional water weight, Smith explains. She prescribes it to customers who are feeling swelled, sore, or even exhausted. It's a one-size-fits-all treatment, and since a large portion of us don't get sufficient magnesium at any rate, it's really useful. 6. Foam roller. Foam rolling aids in numerous ways. It upgrades the body's dissemination, quiets and manages the sensory system, further develops the body's stomach-related and detoxification frameworks, and diminishes irritation, explains Lauren Roxburgh, health teacher, SASH master, and creator of the Power Source. In all honesty, many individuals will feel some alleviation from bulging after only one meeting of froth moving that fuses reversals, turns and self-rub. Yet, for predictable help, I suggest that individuals do some froth moving a few times each week, even only for 10 minutes all at once. 7. Magnesium Pill. Magnesium can likewise assist with bloat that comes from constipation, so Brown prescribes taking a pill when expected to assist things with moving along in a perfect world short term without the unforgiving impacts of a purgative. Food trainers have a private name Magnesium Pill for simply this reason, which they prescribe pressing on excursions to assist with keeping away from the bulge and blockage that regularly goes with movement. 8. Digestive Enzyme. Enlisted dietitian Kelly Schmidt suggests accepting stomach-related chemicals depending on the situation before, especially enormous dinners or when you're anxious, as both can add to helpless processing. It's ideal to have a chemical that helps digest sugar, fat, and protein, she says. Look for one that has various enzymes, words that end in ace, and herbs like ginger to cover this spectrum. I prefer a hypoallergenic supplement like pure encapsulation. 9. Water. On the off chance that your bloating is because of liquid maintenance from eating a lot of salt or from premenstrual condition, then, at that point, increasing your water admission might assist flush with excursion the abundance of liquids and assist you with feeling more great. You additionally need to ensure you're drinking sufficient water in case you're adding more fiber-rich food varieties to your eating routine to assist with forestalling blockage. Regardless of whether you had excessively much liquor or had a monster cheeseburger, drinking a lot of water can help you debloat overnight or considerably quicker, says Burgess. Although it may sound counterproductive to drink more, water can actually help flush out the system and reduce puffiness. Just don't go after shining water. The carbonation found in bubbly beverages can often contribute to bloating as well, she clarifies. 10. Massage for de-bloating your stomach. The bowels can be moved more easily by massaging the abdomen. A massage that follows the large intestine's path is especially beneficial. People can do this by following a few simple steps such as, hands should be placed just above the right hip bone. Up toward the right side of the ribcage, rub in a circular motion with light pressure. Rubbing across the upper belly toward the left rib cage in a straight line. Slowly make your way down to the left hip bone. That last repetition is required. If the massage causes any discomfort, it is best to stop it right away. You can only release puffiness from your face. The famous facialist Nichola Joss prescribes utilizing a face oil to give yourself a facial back rub, assisting with lymphatic seepage and causing your face to show up more etched. Start with a couple of drops of oil in your palms, then, at that point, tenderly apply the palms of your hands to your face and move them outwards in smooth clearing developments. See the full bit-by-bit measure here. There are some foods that need to be avoided if you want to stay away from a bloated stomach. These foods can cause a person to bloat, but sometimes this is because the person is not consuming that particular food regularly, hence the body has not developed tolerance, and occasionally consuming them can cause gas to trap inside the body. These food items include raw, cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, kale, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, onions, fruits like apricots, apples, peaches, pears, and prune, beans and lentils, whole grains. Other foods that may cause bloating and gassiness include greasy, fatty foods, artificial sweeteners, sorbitol, carbonated beverages, dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, ice cream, salty foods, foods high in sodium, such as processed foods, canned soups, and frozen entrees. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.